Running late again? You hit snooze 3 times, and now you're staring at the mirror thinking, I have 5 minutes maybe. No problem. This 5-minute makeup routine is going to save your morning and have you looking ready before your coffee even brews. If you're a student, a working woman, or a mom juggling a million things, this video is for you. You don't need a 45-minute glam session to look put together. What you need is a clean, quick, no-fuss routine that gets you out the door fast. Let's get into it. The morning rush is real snoozed your alarm one too many times. It happens. You roll out of bed, throw on a hoodie, and stare into the mirror thinking, how do I fix this in 5 minutes? Don't stress. This quick routine is made exactly for mornings like this. No glam team, no chaos, just smart steps that work. Whether you're running to class, jumping into a Zoom meeting, or trying to get the kids to school, you'll walk out looking fresh and feeling confident. No fuss, no full glam, just what works. The time-saving mindset. Let's get one thing straight. You don't need a full face beat to look good. This isn't about contouring for 45 minutes or mastering winged liner at 7 a.m. This is about working smarter, not harder. The secret? Multi-use products, quick blending, and only focusing on what actually makes a difference. Think hydration, glow, and just enough polish to feel like you've got it together, even if your brain is still waking up. Step 1. Skin tint or tinted moisturizer. Start with a lightweight skin tint or tinted moisturizer. It's the ultimate shortcut. You get hydration, light coverage, and that natural dewy finish all in one product. Skip the heavy foundation and apply this with your fingers. It melts right into your skin. No brush needed, no cakey mess. It evens out your tone and gives you that well-rested look, even if you slept 4 hours. Step 2. Spot conceal. Don't overdo it. Now take a cream concealer and tap it under your eyes to brighten up those tired spots. Got a blemish or redness around your nose? Hit those areas too. But remember, we're not going for full coverage. The trick is to use it only where you need it. This saves time and it keeps your skin looking like skin. Step 3. Tame and tint the brows. Next up, brows. A tinted brow gel is your best friend here. One swipe through each brow and you're done. No pencils, no carving out shapes. Just a quick tint and hold. It frames your face instantly and makes you look more awake, even if you skipped coffee. Step 4. 1 stick, 3 uses. Grab a cream blush or multi-stick. Apply it on the apples of your cheeks and blend with your fingertips. Then, dab a little on your lips for a natural tint. Want to go the extra mile? Lightly blend some on your eyelids too. 1 product, 3 uses, and you look pulled together without trying. That's the magic of a multi-stick. Step 5. 1 swipe of mascara. Swipe on 1 coat of mascara, just 1. It's the fastest way to instantly look more alert. No eyeshadow, no liner, mascara alone makes your eyes pop and adds definition without eating up your time. You're not going for drama, just that fresh and awake effect. The final look: clean, confident, ready. Look in the mirror now. In just 5 minutes, you've gone from bedhead to bright-eyed. This is the kind of look that says, yes, I'm busy, but I've still got it together. Whether you're grabbing a coffee, catching a train, or chasing toddlers, you look polished without even trying. Your turn. Save, share, or make it yours. This routine isn't just fast, it's flexible. Save it, share it, or swap in your favorite products to make it your own. The goal isn't perfection, it's practical, because when your morning starts strong, everything else just feels a little easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-stress beauty routines that actually work.